Hey, what's up guys, this is Abno here. Let us learn about the React hooks. So hooks allow functions to have access to state and other React features without using classes. They provide a more direct API to React concepts like props, state, context, refs, and lifecycle. So what is a hook? Hooks are functions that let you hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional components. Here is an example of a hook. Don't worry if it doesn't make sense. We will go into more detail in the next video, that is useState hook. Here you must import hooks from React. We are using the useState hook to keep track of the application state. State generally refers to application data or properties that need to be tracked. There are three rules for hooks. Hooks can only be called inside React function components. Hooks can only be called at the top level of a component. Hooks cannot be conditional. That means we cannot write hooks inside something like an if-else statement. And hooks will not work in React class components. Custom hooks. If you have stateful logic that needs to be reused in several components, you can build your own custom hooks. We'll go into more details about this in the custom hooks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.